When people ask me what it's like to storm chase, I tell them it's hours of traveling to find out that you're 10 minutes late. But not this day. I'm about to speed up the video to about 6 times so you can see the clouds moving. On the right hand side is the radar. The blue circle is me. At least that's where I was. I moved a little bit more west of there so that I could get a better view of the storm. I'm currently headed north. On the left side of the screen, you see tendrils of clouds that are starting to reach down. You'll also notice that on the right side, clouds are moving in a counterclockwise direction. Clouds are moving in a counterclockwise direction. Now, I know it's really easy to see that right now, but when you drop it back down to 1 speed, you can barely tell that the clouds are moving. This is important because of what happens next. At this point in time, I have no idea, absolutely no idea, which way the storm is coming from, and I'm looking in every direction frantically trying to figure out where it is. I know that the tornado sirens are going off, but I can't figure out for the life of me where I should be looking. I'm starting to notice that what's in the north looks promising, so I'm keeping my eyes in that direction. I'm speeding up to 3 times right now. I'm also speeding up my car so that I can get a closer view. You're looking through a dash cam. Because it's a dash cam, you get more contrast. I also believe that there's a polarizing filter on it, so you can see more. It cuts through the clouds. Having said all that, I'm still trying to determine if the thing that I'm looking at in the north is actually anything. As the clouds reach down towards the farmhouse, I think I see rotation. You're only seeing it because it's at 3 times the speed. I move forward again. I'm dropping back down to 1 time speed so that you can see this at the same speed at which I was watching it. This is what it's like to storm chase. You've been chasing one storm after another, and you haven't found anything. You've kind of come close, but you've never actually seen anything. And this is the one time where you're in the right area, and you can kind of see something, but you can't get the best look at it. Looking at it now, I have a completely different view than I did then. I'm still not sure if it actually was a tornado, but I will say this. If I had seen it circulate that much, in real time, I probably wouldn't have chased so close. I put together this video for 3 reasons. First of all, to give you an idea of what storm chasing is like. Secondly, for those of you who are just starting to storm chase, so you can kind of get an idea of how hard it can be to figure out if there's a storm there when it's right on top of you. Third, just as a safety thing. And actually, it's just kind of cool to look at, and that's the reason why I was out there in the first place.